2008 BMW GS Adventure. Pretty standard, haven't done a lot to it. Put some different lights on it, but I'm going to put a new exhaust on it. And this is what the original sounds like. It's a bit of a beast. It's absolutely massive. Still sounds quite nice. And this is what I'm putting on it from Lextek. It's pretty sweet. £150 I think I paid for that, including shipping. It's the downpipe, the link pipe, and I can't remember what name of Lextek one that was, but it's got a baffle on it, which I'll probably take out. Anyway, I'll put it on and then I'll show you what it sounds like afterwards.